I'm okay, girl. How y'all doing?
See that you have your
Yeah. They've been here.
My average lunch is I eat some chicken, I talk with my friends, and I have a wonderful lunch experience.
We can kind of tell when it's a uniform day and a non-uniform day, just by your behavior here in the cafeteria. When it's a uniform day, which is most of the time, you guys are pretty reserved and do about your business. But when you guys get into dress down days or costumes and stuff like that, you try to see a little bit of the wild side of you guys. Not too bad. But you know our biggest pet peeve here at everything, having 600 kids at lunch or having 400 kids at lunch, is they don't have to clean their tables. I do not bring anything to your table. You bring it to your table. But guess what? At the end of the day, it's me or Doug or Pete that have to pick it up. Well, why is that? You guys don't pay us. But if you did, I wouldn't do anything. So
my favorite thing in the school cafeteria, we definitely have to do the cookies. They're the perfect mixture between hard and soft. They're not too gooey and not too hard, and it tastes extra good in the middle.